How's it going, guys? Today I want to do a 3D Nissan Skyline C110 drawing. You see one? Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I'm going to do this in like 3D, so it's going to be like red and blue, just because the last one was pretty awesome. So I want to do like a full page of this. Let's see what happens. So maybe I won't use a ruler. I'm just going to funnily draw this. Okay, so this is going to be the front end. Okay, just doing some lines there. Okay, so this is the bumper. Then some lights there. Okay, just doing the grill there. Then let's bring this round. Okay, so I've got the bumper there. Okay, so that's windscreen. This is the wheel. Okay, I'll do a side window. Okay, there we are. So that was pretty quick. What was that, 3 minutes? Yeah, that was alright. That was just a fun little sketch. But, let's get some more details in there. So just doing the darker areas on the inside of this wheel, especially underneath the car. Okay, so I'm just doing the wheel there. Then a bit of the grill here. And for this one, okay. What else? Maybe the mirror, door, handle, then wheel arch. Just filling all these different areas in. There we are. Just filling in the wheel. Okay, so let's go with the red here. And like the other picture, I'm going to go on the left hand side. Just like so. Then left of here, there. Okay, and then after I've done the red, I'm going to go into some blue here. So this is just going to be the other side. Just do this on the outside. Okay, so I'm going to go into time lapse for the rest of this, then we'll see how it turns out. I might increase the line weight, I'm not too sure, but we'll see how it looks. Okay guys, I think I'm going to leave it there. This has only took about 50 minutes, so it's been quite fun. But yeah, it's my Skyline doodle. And thanks for watching, I'll see you later. Yeah, it's been pretty awesome. It's like I said with the previous one, it's very confusing, but yeah, it was fun. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you later.